Hello students, welcome to class 7th SS. I am Suresh sir, continuing our new points Rudra Mahalay. It is a historical monument located in Sithpur, Patan, the banks of Saraswati, northern Gujarat. The magnificent temple dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Rudra Mahalay, constructed by the Mulraj Solanki and completed by Siddharaj Jaisi, the ruler of Patan. Mahalay means a very big, magnificent door. Rudra Mahalay, it is based with the Shaivism. Mulraj Solanki started this and Siddharaj Jaisi completed it. It is wonder in three-storied shikhar. There are 3 stories shikhar in it and 1600 pillars, 12 entrance doors, central mandap and porch on the east, north, south and sanctum in the west. There are all 4 sides are beautifully architectured. There is sanctum in the south. Open space around the temple, 11 shrines of the Rudra. Eastern gate was adorned with the beautifully carved toran, a beautifully marble toran, stone toran, and flight of steps to leading the Saraswati river. There will be a steps that which is leading to the Saraswati river. Ornamentations of the temple was exuberant as shown by the elaborate detailing carvings of the pillars and beautiful toran. There are few points remain today also. Palidana temple of Jains are located in Shatrunji hills of 51 to 60 km west of Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Approximately 863 temples starting from the peak to the base of the Shatrunji hills. It is also called the city of temple for the Jain people. It is constructed in marble white stone, considered to be one of the most sacred pilgrimage center by the Jains. Every devotee of Jain aspires to climb the top of the mountain at least once in his lifetime because the sanity to attain the nirvana. The temple is associated with the Bhagwan Rishabdev, first Tirthankar, who is also known as Adinath. It has ornate architectural motifs. Interior of the temple is intricately carved with ceilings that have geometrical lace designs. The sculpture that adorn the marble temples present a feast to the eyes. Sri Hemchandracharya, Siddharaj Jaisi, Kumar Pal and the generation of the Jains from all over the country had contributed the best of their capacity to make the Shatrunji hill. Shatrunji hill is very important for the Jain people. It is believed that first Tirthankar, Rishabdev's temple is based on there. It is intricately carved with the ceilings with the geometrical lace designs. Hemchandracharya, Siddharaj Jaisi and Kumar Pal and generation of the Jain community contributed the many great things for this Jain temple. Then comes Siddhi Sayyed Mosque, one of the most famous mosque of Ahmedabad, located near Lal Darwaja. It was built by Siddhi Sayyed, a general in the army of the last Sultan Shamsuddin Muzaffar Shah III of Gujarat Sultanate. The mosque is entirely arcaded and is famous for the beautifully carved stone lattice work, jalis on the side and rear arcs. The rear wall is filled with the square stone pierced panels in geometrical design. The 2 bays flanking the central aisle have a stone slabs carved in the designs of intertwined trees and foliage and the palm motif. The Siddhi Sayyed Jali is carved very minutely. You can see in the picture with the base of the stone slabs. And afterwards, once carved, the stone was taken up. If it is broken, once again it was prepared. So carving on the lattice work of the window is not very easy thing. Stone slab carvation design and foliage with a palm motif, it is the speciality of this Sidi Sayyad Jali. It is very beautiful of its own. In next session, we shall discuss about the Kakariya Lake. Then we will continue with the architecture of the Delhi Sultanate. I remain here. Thank you.